Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So I'm going to unbox the little Tikes pack and go 3-in-1 trike video. So if you're thinking of getting this tricycle, here is what inside the box. It is for 12 months old to 24 to 36. So it's really up from 1 year to 5 years old can use this tricycle. So here's what's inside the box. So it's got some paper padding on the side. We're just going to take out the paper padding. The paper padding is quite strong, so that will keep everything inside the box. So there it is. This tricycle has a blue seat. So it's kind of a blue color. So here we're just going to take out all the parts. So that's the handlebar. That's actually not the handlebar, it's at the back of the bike. So here's the actual tricycle, so we can pull out. Then we've got the front wheel here. A single front wheel with a pedal. And here we've got the handheld pusher. So you hold that to push the tricycle forward. So that's just some additional parts. There, lay on the floor for you to see. So you've got the front wheel, the two small wheels at the back. So here it is. So to open this one up, you can see there's a latch at the back. You have to pull up and then pull out. So pull up the latch and then extend out the whole seat. So if you do this the first time, it can be a little bit difficult, but you can see if you pull up the latch, you can extend it out like so. Okay, so that's the blue seat right there. There's a button which you can press to extend out the footrest. If you want to close it, you can press the button to close it. Here are the screws that will help you assemble this tricycle together. Now here's the back wheel. I have done one already, so here's how you can put on the back wheel. First we put the plastic piece in like that, and make sure later on the hole has to line up so that we can put the screw on. Then we're going to put the wheel in. And that's the wheel right there. Now you can see there is a small hole on the side of the wheel. They need to line up with that hole in the metal piece right there. As you can see, they both need to line up, and this will help later we can lock everything into one. Now this will help to lock the wheel in place so that later when we are pushing the tricycle forward, it won't fall out. So just push it in and make sure they all lock in place. And that's it. So now we need to put the screw on right there at the back. So there's a screw there at the front, and on the other side there is also a screw that you need to put in. Okay, the next part we need to put in the handlebar and the tricycle and the wheel together. Make sure you pull this plug out. So pull it out, and then this will allow you to put the top piece and the wheel, the front wheel together. So push it in place, And that's it, as you can see right there. Now push the button in and this will lock the wheel into place so the wheel cannot turn. And now it's time for us to put the handlebar in. Make sure you pull the plug out so they can push the handlebar in, like so. And now you can see we can hold the handlebar and steer left and right. There is a metal piece there. This will help to lock the handlebar in place. So push it in. So it needs to go in the middle. And then we just put the top cover down like that. And then we need to screw it in. So now we need to put the screw in. So there's a small hole there for us to put the screw in right there. Okay, next we need to put this handlebar in. So there are 2 screws that will help us to hold the handlebar onto the back of the tricycle. It uses an Allen key, which is also supplied inside the box. So the handlebar is held together at the bottom and the top. So these 2 pieces of plastic, put them together, and then we insert the handlebar into that slot right there. And now we just simply have to put the screws in, just like so. And that piece go on the other side. And now we have to use an Allen key to lock them together. Also, now we're going to use the Allen key to secure the screws. Then we also need to do the top bit as well. So just press on that, allow you to move the handlebar up and down. Then we're going to line them up with the top hole at the top right there. And then we're going to put the screws in. And again, we're going to need to use an Allen key to lock the screws together. So the small screws go on the right hand side for the top, as you can see. So just use an Allen key and tighten the screws. And next we can put the drink holder or the cup holder, snap them on to the handlebar, like so. And that will complete the installation of the assembling of the tricycle. Now you can press on this button to allow the footrest to move forward or backward. On the front wheel there is a button which allows you to lock in the pedals. So if you don't want to use the pedals, you can unlock it. If you want to lock in the pedals so that your child can pedal the bike on themselves, then you can press on the button. And that's it. You can pull this one to compact the tricycle or to open it up. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.